Hey, what's going on? What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. So, you guys, guess what I'm cooking today? What I am cooking today is a Smithfield's slow roasted golden rotisserie flavored pork tenderloin, you guys. Yes, you heard me say it, a pork tenderloin. We already have it in the water with 5 to 6 cups. We have 3 potatoes and 1 onion that we're going to cook and chop up, you guys. So let's get to chopping. What? I'll fix you something to eat. I know you want some dinner. It's coming. Go ahead. I'm going to bring you some dinner. All right, go sit down. We don't have no cupcakes. I'm getting ready to fix y'all some. Go get you a Go-Gurt. Go get you a snack. I don't know whether you want cheese or Go-Gurt.
I'm not saying juice.
No juice. I told y'all got to stop throwing them on the floor. We're going to cut up our potatoes. Y'all know how it is. As soon as you get the recording, here come the kids. Well, the ones with with kids. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So we chopped up our 1 potato. We're going to dump it in the water. Dump the buds off.
Some cereal.
Okay, I'm getting ready to fix you some dinner, honey. Go sit down.
I want some cereal.
Okay, I'm going to get it for you. Go sit down. Go ahead, Jeremiah. Close that refrigerator, honey. Hurry up and grab it. Don't leave my refrigerator open. Okay. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Turn that light off. You left the light on. Go back and turn the light off, Jeremiah. You left the light on. 2. No, you left the light on in the kitchen, Jeremiah. The kitchen. Yes, come turn it off for me, please, honey. 3. It's the 3rd one. Okay, we're not talking about that. Go ahead. All right, bye. 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 What's wrong with her? She got a bad attitude today, y'all. I know what she was getting ready to say. That's why I said bye. I'm getting ready to do you some. Come here, Lily. Come here. Come here. Come here. What cereal do you want? Because you about to get a spanking. Come here. Don't talk back to me and don't be yelling talking about what you want. Which one do you want? Pick one. Hurry up. Which one? Hurry up, before I slap your face. Which one? You don't talk about, I want some cereal. I told you to wait. You don't do that to me. You see, I'm busy trying to cook. You're not that hungry. You just ate. You just ate. Y'all act like y'all starving, like y'all didn't just eat. We just had meals. Come on now, somebody. I know I'm not going crazy. I'm going crazy. Jeremiah, go sit down, honey. Eat your food and sit down. You have to wait. I'm going to fix you something to eat. Y'all, every time I come in the kitchen, y'all want to come in here. Get on now. Here. Don't waste it. You're not getting no more. Alright, make sure I edit all of that out. Sorry, y'all, for the inconvenience. Now I gotta edit this video. So, okay, anyway. Then I put my potatoes in the water. Okay. Then I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna hit it with that wham bam. Yes, ma'am. You're gonna hit the other side with that wham bam. Yes, ma'am. With the skin on. Because y'all, all you're going to do is throw this mess in the trash. So, push it down. Push it down. Yes, push it. No, you turn your plate around. Now, push it down.
Oh.
Okay, then we're going to peel this onion. Push. I don't know how I'm gonna cut this onion, but I want it to be like, I don't know how to explain. Okay, pull the skin off. Dump that. Wham. Then we're gonna cut this. He's still left. Well, I left it on this one. Yeah. How am I gonna cut this onion? I want to have that butterfly effect. Well, I could do small pieces of onion. I just slice it like that. Then we're gonna take it. Hold on. I'm trying to remember how I cut the damn onion. I don't remember, y'all. I don't remember. It's not coming back to me. I cut the onion one time and it was so beautiful. Oh! That's how I did it. Yep. That's how I did it. Right there. Yep. I got it. I'm thinking, y'all. I'm like, oh. Now I cut one onion so beautifully one time. Because it feathered out. And it was so pretty. I like it to feather out. If they don't feather out, cut them out. Make it feather. But that's how I was trying to do it, the feathered look. That's what I was going for. The long, feathery look. If not, feather it out. Just like I told y'all. Feather that bitty out. Okay. Then we're going to take this, crumble it up. Make sure they're separated, because if not, you're going to have some big, crusty onions. You know I want big crusty onions anytime. So I peel them like that. See, because it's just layers and layers and layers. Just like off of Shrek, tell you. Shrek told you the truth. Just layers and layers upon layers. Okay, then you take your whole onion. After you done chopped it up. And you put it right on top. But that's all your flavor right there, baby. That's all of it. And I just started cooking with an onion, y'all. Like this year. I barely want to cook with an onion back then. Now, who won't? I will. Now wash my hands off. And then boom. You see that? We want to let it slow cook overnight. Put the top on it. And that's dinner for tomorrow. Dinner for tomorrow. I don't have to worry. Dinner is served. So, now that we got that under control. So sick of that cereal. Now that we got that under control, what am I eat for the night? You know what I'm saying? So, we got chicken carbonara, which has bacon in it. He's not going to want that. And then we have this, which is shrimp scampi linguine. I'm going to cook him some shrimp scampi linguine. This is the absolute best. It's a skillet meal. It's fast, it's quick. It literally takes nothing but 12 minutes. Bam, and his food is done. I really care and appreciate people, and I like to show them that I care and appreciate them. So that's what I'm doing.